Good morning children, this is Shivani Avasthi. I welcome you all back to our maths class and I hope you all have understood the last videos. Now our next topic is Roman numbers. As you can see the table, it's written, firstly it's being written in Hindu Arabic form and secondly it is written in Roman numerals. Now you can see it's written how it is written. You learn it like this: 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. If you learn it like this, I, V, X, L, C, D, M, so you will get to know the basic Roman numbers. Okay, these are the numbers whose basic Romans are being given to make other Roman numbers. So now here are some of the points that are to be remembered, that is VLD, never subtracted. That means 5, 50 and 500 you cannot subtract any time. Now I subtracted from V and X only once. That means you can subtract 1 for one time only with 5 and 10. C, subtracted from D and M only once. Same like with 100, you can subtract 100 only for one time with 500 and 1000. Now next, I and V never written to the left of the L and C. That means 1 and 5 or I and V you cannot write to the left of L and C. L is never written to the left of C. That means you cannot write, or what to write, it cannot be written to the left of C. Okay, now see the questions. Here are some of the questions. You can see triple C is being given. I have already told you the expanded form in the last class. You can see, though you will do in a expanded form, just do its expanded form like C plus C plus C. You already know C stands for 100, so you will write 100 plus 100 plus 100, that means 300. Now look here, here is the greatest Roman. You have C, that you have 100. What you have? 100. So in these type of question you have to look which is the greatest Roman first. Now you can see rest of the Romans are written at the right side of the 100. So keep in your mind, it's a rule that any Roman written to the right side of the greatest Roman, you have to add it. That means you will write in expanded form, that is C plus L plus X plus VI. Okay, now C you know 100, L you know it's 50, X you know it's 10 and VI you know it's 6. Now you can add it 150, 160 and 166.